Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how to install a wig on a dark skin person. Now, this ball cap situation, I do not know how to do a ball cap like that good, so I'm not really finna go in depth and show y'all. But all I'm doing is getting the cap that matches her skin color the closest, and which is this dark one. And then I'm gonna put some holding spray on there, and I use Pump It Up. Then I'm going to cut around it. Now, for the ball cap, I usually try to cut the ball cap right in front of people's hairline, but because she has a whole low hairline, I had to cut it right at her hairline. And you guys gonna kind of see me cutting a little bit more. And this wig was actually kind of too small for her head, so you gonna see me like tugging it and turning it to try to make it fit, but y'all will catch it. Instead of makeup, I use lace tint today, and I use lace tint True Match and Dark. Now, y'all, this is what I'm talking about her wig was too small, y'all. The wig kind of turned a little crazy, and it's irking me looking at this video now, but it's gonna turn out cute in the end. But y'all see what I'm talking about it's too small, like. But anyway, all I did was cut the tabs around her ear. Sometimes when you cut the tabs around her ear, it'll loosen it up some, if you kind of get what I'm saying. But if you're new to this, I will honestly advise you do not take wigs that's too small and install them on your clients, because they're usually going to come up quicker than a wig that actually fits their head, and they're going to blame you for it, and it's not your fault because they have a small wig. Now, I usually don't even do this, but because of the wig being like too small, I wanted to make sure I put it right back in place since I cut the ear tabs first this time. That's why I cut that little slit. Now, the brand of lace tape I'm using, I forgot what the brand is. If I remember the inserter, I will. But I know the glue I was using was Boho Active. And I'm going to put 4 layers of Boho Active on top of the lace glue, the lace tape, y'all. The lace tape is really used to protect your edges, and then it does give it a longer hold to me. But to each his own. I know some people say it don't, some people say it do, so they prefer not to have it on. It's them. Oh, y'all see how cute rubbing her nose like that? She probably on powder, so. For those of you that want to use lace tape too, when you lay your lace and glue down, make sure you lay it in front of the tape, or you're going to see the tape, the ball cap, and it's not going to lay right, y'all. Make sure it's in front of the lace tape. Nah, for y'all come in the comments, ask me what I did a million times. All I did was get some of the lace glue, put it on the back of my hand, and lay it down the parts and pieces of the lace that was not laid down. That's all I did. So right here, all I'm doing is parting out her baby edges. She wanted like a really like natural look. So I'm finna part out her baby edges and spray her hair with holding spray. I end up using Pump It Up. And for some reason, the holding spray on the video made the lace look darker than what it actually was. And y'all can kind of see in the end what I'm talking about because it didn't really look like that. Y'all see what I mean? It made it look darker in the video, but it was not like that in person. The video in the end, you gonna see what I'm talking about. Now, all I did was wrap the elastic band around there. I'm finna hot comb her hair down, and then I think I'm finna go off camera and flat iron it too. For the flat ironer part, I just used Fantasia's heat protectant and a flat iron that I got from Amazon, and that's really it. Also, y'all, don't mind what I got on. It was like 10, 11 o'clock at night. This is what I was trying to explain. Y'all see the lace is not that freaking dark. It actually matches her skin tone perfect. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please like, share, and subscribe. And come back for more.